ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ hello everyone welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lesson you will learn about how to test divisibility of numbers. A number is divisible by 2 only when its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 60, 72, 84, 96 and 108 is divisible by 2. A given number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 348, 68 and 74 as the sum of digits is divisible by 3. A given number is divisible by 4 only when the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. For example, 692 as the last two digits 92 is divisible by 4. A given number is divisible by 5 only when its unit digit is 0 or 5. For example, 930, 715, 65 and 900. A given number is divisible by 6 only when it is divisible by 2 and 3 also. For example, 348. It is divisible by 2 also and the sum of digits also divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 2 and 3 both numbers. For testing the divisibility of a number by 7, we proceed according to the following steps. First is double the unit digit of the given number. Second, subtract the above number from the number formed by excluding the unit digit of the given number. Third, if the number so obtained is divisible by 7, then the given number is also divisible by 7. For example, 672. Double of 2 is 4 and then subtract from 67. 67 minus 4 is equal to 63, which is divisible by 7. So 672 is divisible by 7. A given number is divisible by 8 only when the number formed by its last three digits is divisible by 8. For example, 49,104. 104 is divisible by 8. So 49,104 is divisible by 8. A given number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, 783 as the sum of digits is divisible by 9. So 783 is divisible by 9. A given number is divisible by 10 only when its unit digit is 0. For example, 90, 120, 350, etc. A given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or a number divisible by 11. For example, 8,63,478. The sum of its digits at odd places is equal to 18. Sum of its digits at even places is also 18. So the difference is 0. Hence, the given number is divisible by 11। इस वीडियो ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ। ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਮਾਈ ਵੀਡੀਓ।